Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix EA app not launching issue or how to fix EA launcher not launching games. So before following the step, first close EA app, EA background service and other related EA program running from task manager. So right click on system tray, then click on task manager. Now here look for EA app. Right click on EA app and click on end task. Now scroll down, right click on EA background service and end task. So after closing EA app and EA background service, go to the step 2. Step 2 is run the EA app as an admin. To do so, right click on EA app and select properties. Go to compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK. Then follow the third step. The third step is to delete the EA app cache. To do so, press Windows plus R to open run box. In run box type %local app data %, hit OK. Now here look for EA desktop folder, right click on it and delete. Then right click on electronic arts folder and then delete. Now follow the fourth step. Fourth step is to enable Unicode UTF-8 language support. Now to do so, press Windows plus R to open run box. In run box type intl.cpl and press OK. Now go to administrative tab, click on change system local, then check mark this option beta use Unicode UTF-8 for worldwide language support and then click OK. Now you have to restart your PC. I am not restarting my PC, but in your case you have to restart your PC, and after your PC restart, then follow the step 5. Step 5 to delete game data directory. To do so, click on Windows icon, then here search for environment variables and open it. Now click on environment variables. So this is the image. So if you find this game data directory, you have to select this option and then you have to click on delete. Now you can launch the EA app and check your problem is fixed or not. You can also launch the game and check the problem fixed or not. If still your problem is not solved, then repair the EA app. To do so, open Chrome browser and in Google search for EA app download and click on this download the EA app. Click on download the EA app button. Click on Windows version, and once this EA app installer exe file get downloaded, double click it to install it. Since the EA app is already installed on your PC, so click on the repair option. Click yes to allow. This will repair all the damaged or corrupted files, and then you have to restart. You will need to restart your PC to finish your installation. So press the OK button to restart your PC, and after that you can check whether your problem is fixed or not. If still your problem is not fixed, then delete the EA app cache via EA app. So if you are able to launch the EA app, then click on this 3 horizontal line at the top left, then click on help, then click on app recovery and then click on clear cache. And after that you can launch the EA app and check your problem is fixed or not. If not, then the last solution is to completely uninstall and reinstall the EA app. To do so, click on Windows icon, go to settings. On the left, click on apps, then click on installed apps. Now here search for EA app, click on 3 dots and click on uninstall option to uninstall EA app. And after uninstalling the EA app, go to the official website of Electronic Arts, then click on this download the EA app and select the Windows version and download the EA app and then run this exe file to install the EA app. And then you can restart your PC and then launch EA app and check whether your problem is fixed or not. So that's all for this video. By this way you can fix EA app not launching problem or how to fix EA launcher not launching games. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.